Hey, Christmas light community. So today I want to go over a little bit of how we store our Christmas lights. Right now we are about a week out from Christmas, so the place is empty, literally empty. We got a very few little stuff here. We got some couple wreaths left over and a lot of garbage left over that we're getting rid of. And so I just wanted to show you our storage that we have here at the shop, and I'll let you see. So this is our room that we store all our Christmas stuff. These are all the lids for our totes. These are our reels that I showed you before of how we store Christmas lights. And when we're done at the end of the season, when we was done last season, this room is completely full. Just basically one little walkway down and to get to that back door there. This back hallway here, we'll actually clean it up a little bit more, and it'll be full of wreaths stacked all the way to the top of the ceiling in there. Not only that, we'll come out here to the main shop, and out here in the main shop, we will have a boatload of Christmas lights also. This will be kind of where we're going to store all our tools, our miscellaneous stuff. This here will be kind of cleaned up, and this will be full of totes for our minis. Same way with this stall here, that stall up there. This will be all cleaned up. This will all be probably warm white. And then over here, get the glare off the truck. This will all be full of warm white, and probably over here. And you can see all our tubs getting ready to go back out. This week we cleaned out all the trucks. They were all nasty on the inside. You could live in there. It looked like people lived in there. It was pretty gross. So I had the employees clean out all the trucks and get them all ready to go for takedown. We cleaned out the van. Make sure I don't knock my head off right here. The van's all cleaned out, and we're all ready for takedowns. You can see there's nothing in there. We have one van still out, and it's doing our fix-its and that kind of stuff. So we have to have one van up and ready for fix-it. But for takedowns, basically, all you need is a couple Mr. Long Arms and a ladder and maybe a pair of cuts. And that's all you need. So we're getting ready for takedowns. Can't wait to get them all back down. We've had a lot of rain this year in the Cincinnati area, and it's given us a little bit of GFI problems and all those great problems that you come along with running a Christmas light business. You know, we much rather have snow. We much rather have no rain. Rain stinks, and all we've had is rain, 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 and some more rain. I think it said it's like the fifth wettest year this winter, and it's all been rain. Every bit of it's been rain. So it helps our gutter cleaning business come this time of year, because guess what? We kind of push all our gutter cleanings till now. We push them all to the end of the season once we get all our Christmas lights up. But again, if you want to learn how to do Christmas lights and hang Christmas lights on a big tree, check out this video here. If you want to check out how to do them on a roof, check out this video here, whether it is for icicles or for anything like that with gutter guards, the whole 9 yards. Thank you, and have an awesome day.